Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Helpline. This is where we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. In this video, we will be showing you how to log out of your Snapchat account. In order to log out of your Snapchat account, go into the application first. Once you are inside your application, click on your account icon at the top left corner. You will be taken to your account page. Now click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and this will take you to the settings page. From the settings page, scroll all the way down and you will see the log out option. If you press log out, you will be told that you may choose to save your information for the next time that you log in. This will remember both your username and your password. You may choose any option that you like. Now you will see the log out button. Press on the log out button and you will be logged out of your Snapchat account. So that's it for today's video. If you like our content, do give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel to receive more useful videos in the future. Thank you for watching.